Hi everyone, so in this video you will learn how to install NVM for Windows. I will also cover how you can install a node using NVM and how you can switch between multiple versions of node using the NVM. To install NVM, simply go to Google search and type NVM node. On the search results page, simply scroll a bit and you will find the official website, this one, NVM node. Click on this. Here, click on download. And here you will find the list of different NVM versions. So I'll go with the latest one and I'll click here on the GitHub link. The download will start. Let's open the folder. So here we got the NVM zip file. Simply extract it. Click on this setup. Accept the agreement. Click on next, then next, next again. Make sure all these are checked. You can skip this part and click on install. You can keep it checked if you want to use PowerShell and check the NVM version, but I'll go with the command prompt. So I'll uncheck it and click on finish. Now let's go with the command prompt. Now to verify whether you have installed the NVM correctly or not, you can simply type here nvm --version. It will give you the version of the NVM that you have installed. So in my case, it is 1.2.2. Now if I want to install the node, first of all, I need to check what is the availability of the node packages. For that, I will type nvm list available. It will show me all the node versions that are available for the installation. So these are the current one. These are the LTS, which is basically stands for long-term support, and you should always install these versions. Okay, they are old stables, old unstables. So if I want to install the latest LTS, I can simply type here nvm install LTS and press enter. You can see it installing this version 24.11.1, and that is the latest LTS. Also, if you want to install a different version, you can simply pick the version from here. So I'll go with this one to install one more. It is 25.2.1. So it will be nvm install 25.2.1. Press enter. So you can see we have installed the LTS version. Also we have installed the latest version, which is 25.2.1. Now to verify the packages that we have installed, I mean the node packages, you can simply type here nvm list. It will show all the node packages that you have installed using nvm. And you can see we got two here. If I want to use the LTS one, this one 24, I can simply type nvm use 24.11.1 and it will show here. Now you are using this node version. You can verify this. Simply type here node --v. I think it is node -v. So it will give you the node version, which is 24.11.1. In case I want to use a different version, for example this 25.2.1, I can simply use the same command, which is nvm 25.2.1. Press enter. Now let's verify it. So type node -v, and now we are using this latest version. So depending upon your requirement, you can switch between the versions of node. So I hope you understood how to install NVM for Windows, how you can install node packages using the NVM, and how you can switch between them. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.